with another video for y'all. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing my new baby together. I got a freaking iPad. I more so got the iPad for a business investment. I recently started doing digital products and content creation services, so I feel like I really need an iPad. But it also doubles as a early graduation gift because I literally just got a B in my very last class that I needed to graduate. So I wanted to congratulate myself by finally getting me an iPad. I've been wanting one for years, but I just never got one. Being that we opened the MacBook together, me and you, we're going to open my iPad together. So excited and nervous, like everything all at the same time. Like I just wanted one for so long, I just literally haven't gotten one. It's nothing like opening a new Apple product, like brand new out the pack, baby. So we're taking the paper off, and this is like one of my favorite parts. Like look at the screen. It's just so new. So I got the new iPad. I believe it's the 11th generation if I'm not mistaken, and I got the 11-inch, not the 13-inch. So I got the slightly smaller version. Let's try to turn it on. I don't know why I'm this geek. I already have an Apple Watch, the MacBook, AirPods, like an iPhone 15. I don't know why I'm so geek, but it's like, it's just something about getting a new Apple product. Yes, like in there. Okay, now that we have this on and out of the box, let's go ahead and customize this baby because you already know I didn't come to play. So I have my case already. Let's go ahead and put the case on the iPad. The first accessory I got is this case. These are instructions. Okay, so the case looks like this. It's a light pink one, and it comes with a keyboard as well. And the keyboard is supposed to light up, so we're gonna see if it does all that. We're gonna put this new baby in the case immediately because I tend to drop things. Okay, so she's in her case. So freaking cute. Like, I'm so excited. Like, I just feel like a boss right now. Because like I said, I was using it for business purposes, and since I have digital products, it's really important to showcase how you use these digital products in an everyday setting. Whereas a lot of people that sell digital products right now, they really just sell like the lifestyle. They just show you like all the things you could be doing once you make the money or whatever. But I more so want to focus on how to use them and, you know, stuff like that. So this is the pen. Of course, you gotta have a little pen, but I wasn't buying the Apple pen for like $129. You got me all the way messed up. I'm going to head over to Amazon and get me a little dupe, okay? And it's cuter because instead of the white, we got the pink to match the pink vibes. You already know. And then, as you know, my MacBook is also rose gold, so it just, everything matches. Like, it has to be pink, or it's just not me. So while I get it set up and everything and trying to just see if everything kind of works, to show you guys in a second the keyboard in action. So let me just set everything up first.
I didn't want those crappy muffins.
Like right now, I feel like stuffing you into the microwave and pressing pop. You know what that freaking tone tells me? For the first time, you need my help.
Okay, so we're back after many hours. It took forever for my phone and my iPad to sync together. Like, it just took a really long time for everything to get like transferred over. So continuing on, I played around with it a little bit, and I did play with the keyboard. You guys saw that, and it definitely changes colors, but we're gonna keep it at pink, of course. But yeah, so I played with the keyboard. I love the keyboard. Definitely played with the case a little bit because I didn't understand how to make it like stand. So you definitely can make it stand up and put the keyboard on there as well, like this. So yeah, you can make it stand up, and you can put the keyboard right here. And I'm just obsessed with this setup. Like, I love it so much. And then the pen has a little area up top and I'm loving the pen. It definitely works with it as well. I don't know if I can show you guys, but I was trying to use the GoodNotes app because that's the app that I'm focused on as far as like my business and everything with my planners and all. So I was really using the pen like for that area. Yeah, everything is set up, and this is my home screen. I've been trying to figure out how to make it like all cute and aesthetic through like TikTok and stuff, but I'm gonna work on that. So far this is all I have, and I'm gonna make it a lot cuter and just some apps and stuff. So yeah, that's the update on the iPad. So for the iPad, it is the newer charging block, so it is that USB type of charger port right here. But my phone is like that as well, so I'll just use the same charger. But it did come with a charger as well, so we have lots of chargers around here. This also is charged by a USB or USB cord as well. Then also is one of those as well, a USB charger. So going back into the pen, because I don't know if I told you guys, but it did come with a charger, but it also comes with like a little case for the pen. I haven't used this yet because I've been just sticking it back up top like that. Yeah, it also has that, and then it has the charger in here, little charger, and then it also comes with some spare little pen tips, I guess if you like lose it or if it gets damaged or something. So it has some extra little tips in there as well. Overall, I'm super excited and really happy that I finally got my iPad and everything is all pink and girly the way that I like it, and everything is on brand and on theme. That I have everything set up, I'm really excited and really ready to like dive into my business and really just like kind of give it my all now that I have a little bit more free time because I'm done with school, supposedly, fingers crossed. I'm still waiting on them to like audit everything and actually tell me if I graduated or not, but that was supposed to be my last class, so fingers crossed. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video of me unboxing my new iPad and all of the gadgets that I got for it. I'm sure this will not be the end of it. I'm probably gonna get some more stuff for it, but for now, I'm really satisfied with the pen and the case and the keyboard and everything. So I think that's it for now. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so the next time I drop a video, babe, you'll be notified if you don't know what type of video it's gonna be. This pen low-key reminds me of the Disney Channel, like when they would do this on screen. And it's like, hi, I'm Day, and you're watching Disney Channel. Like that.